What's Gucci on? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Coming at you with another video, but it's not for my Tacoma. It's for my sister's Dodge RT. For Christmas, I got my sister this window spoiler, and I'm gonna go ahead and install it for her. It should be pretty simple, straightforward. It's got 3M double-sided tape, 2 strips of it along the bottom. I already kind of prepped it. So I had my sister put it in her car by the windshield and blast her heater, and then also the rear heater, the rear window heater. So it heated up the window for me, and then I went ahead and cleaned it, or sprayed this on there. It's just distilled water that we got with some stripes that I installed the other day for her up here. The link will be in the description for these. So if you guys want those, I'll also put the link for the window spoiler in the description for you guys. But yeah, it was just a little prep thing. It's just distilled water, like I said. They provided 2 alcohol wipes, and also, where is it? This primer that I will be applying to the window, and that just helps the 3M adhesive stick on a lot better, supposedly. I don't know, I've never used it. So yeah, let me prop you up on the tripod and get to sticking. By the way, if you guys hear a bunch of birds chirping, they're having their own New Year's Eve party up on that tree over there, so I apologize, but I'm not gonna be the one to interrupt the party. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down. Like I said, I already cleaned it with distilled water. So, and then after this, I'll let it dry, and then I'll put the adhesive primer to it. Alright, by the way, if you guys see, so I did have the hair blower dryer thing to help heat it up. I also have blue tape, and I was going to mask it off and put where the center line was, and then split it and do all this how you would probably normally do it. But I'm not going to do it like that because both my sister, my girlfriend, don't want to help. They don't want to be on camera, which is fine. But, so yeah, I'm going to take this and then apply it to a brand new one. And I'm going to just run it along the top. And by the time I should get done with the other side, this side will be done. I think it's gonna be a liquid, not a gel. Oh, it is a liquid. Cool. So hopefully it does really do help. If not, I doubt anything will happen. Alright, so power YouTube. You guys didn't get to see it, but I promise you I applied this to the other side. Sorry, I suck at install videos, but I'm trying. My girl in the back cheering me on. Yeah. Alright. So pretty much now, like the way I set it, oh, you guys can't even tell. Hold on. Alright, there we go. So, the 2 strips of 3M tape, I'm gonna peel it back a bit, stick it on there, and then just work my way. Oh! And I almost fell off this stool. Fingers crossed I don't this up. I mean, if I do, it's no problem because it's just glass and it's just 3M double-sided tape. I could run to the store and do this another day, but I'm gonna get it done for you guys. Or should I say, get it done for my sister because she really wants it on there. Alright, so I'm gonna do just that. Stick it on there, and then obviously I'll see it like this once it's on. And then I just pretty much just pull down a bit more, stick it on there, and work all the way down, or work my way all the way down. Ooh, okay. Just like the letters, the tailgate inserts on my truck, this is gonna be nerve-wracking. I should have taken a shot. I really shouldn't, because then it'll probably be all messed up. Whew, I'm nervous. All right. So just like that, this little 1-2 inch is on there. Now I'm gonna peel back a bit more and just work my way all the way down to like right here so you guys can see it. Move the camera, and that should cover up the other half. You might want to take it slow, and so you don't rip this. It's ripped on some people, but it's not gonna rip on me. Fingers crossed. I'm just jinxing myself. Is that what you said?
That's what you said.
And then after I'm done, I will get the heat gun and I'll have my sister turn on her car, heat the back windows again, and apply pressure just so it gets that strong bond. Now, I'm gonna move the camera, reposition it, and finish this off. So I said a heat gun, and my girl corrected me saying it's just a hair blower or dryer, which it is. Paul Mitchell. So just like that, all done. Let me take you off the tripod. Ooh, oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, 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 oh. All right, hold on. Alright guys, and just like that, all done. Oh, my sister locked it up on me. Like I said, all done. Dang, this lighting right here. Anyways, that's it guys. Hope you guys like this little quick install. For me it wasn't quick, but for you guys it was, because of the power of YouTube and another car. And another car. But that's it. This is the first video for 2020, and it wasn't even for Lana. If you guys aren't following Lana, or if you're new and you guys don't know yet, she's on Instagram at Lana the Yoda. Give her a follow. There goes another car. Anyways, hopefully you guys had a happy and a safe New Year's. 2020, let's make this our year, your year, my year, everyone's year. Work hard for what we want, feel me, and hey, live life.